We have another super chat real quick, and we actually touched on it just a second ago. But he writes GTRX 300. Any concerns with it being a poly hull? Love the GTIs. Would love to trade my GTR having the same hull, and love the seat from the RXPX. Durability wise, I haven't seen failures with the GTR 230s and with those who are modifying them. There are a handful of racers using GTR 230s and GTI 170s out in the open ocean on Aqua X and naturally aspirated classes. So,
yeah, and I'd love to comment on that because honestly, I think that's been one of the things that we're most proud of is the performance of that Polytec Gen 2 hull that we released on the GTI. And, you know, we knew that Polytec wasn't going to be popular with everybody right off the bat. We had to earn our stripes, and I can say that we've achieved that. That hull is performing rock solid reliability. It really has delivered on every single aspect, and the engineering team did a flawless job on executing with that second generation Polytec. So I have no concerns. Like you said, the GTR 230 has had the Polytec hull for years. We know that customers unlock more performance in the aftermarket with that hull, and we don't see any increase in failure rate on those products. Obviously, when we're releasing a new product, we do tons and tons of testing, and I'm not seeing any indication that there's going to be a problem. So we should have full confidence in that hull on the 300. And in fact, I think riders are going to be really inspired by the way that hull maneuvers. And you know what? When you pay that much money for a watercraft and you want to run it up onto the beach, it's nice to know that underneath you got Polytec, and it's going to be more scratch resistant, and you can just have fun with that product all day long and not worry about little sand scuffs on the hull and stuff like that if you want to go out for a good day on the water.
Don't listen to James, everyone. Don't beat your skis. Stop.
Use those awesome sand anchors. I agree.
Use the anchors, please. For the love of God, don't beat your skis.
You're right. You're right. But that Polytec hull will do it if people want to do it.
Okay.
I'm glad Greg likes that seat from the RXP. That's good to hear.
Right. Well, I think it's a fantastic addition. I'm excited about it. I think it fits. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.